It's funny that some manufacturers have said goodbye to sedans. With new styling, more safety, and more performance, the Mazda 3 sedan and hatchback is getting better and better. What's up, everybody? I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise, Alabama. And in this Mazda news update, we're covering the 2024 Mazda 3 sedan and hatchback, all the updates, some of the things we might actually say goodbye to, and new colors, new styling, more technology, and better safety makes the 2024 Mazda 3 the best ever Mazda 3 that came to market over here. Well, maybe not the Mazda 3 Speed. Maybe it's still up there. And we're going to jump into trims and equipment, colors, and pricing. So let's jump into trims. The Mazda 3 starts with the 2.5S. This is sedan only, and just to mention a few standard items, last year we upgraded to 191 horsepower, so more power, but better fuel economy, and still 186 pound-feet of torque. This fuel economy was updated with cylinder deactivation, and of course you have G-Vectoring Control Plus, which makes the drive even that much more enjoyable. The added safety, of course, we have I-Activsense standard, which includes radar cruise control with stop and go function, smart brake support, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, driver attention alert, high beam control, and now for 2024, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic is standard across the line, as well as the rear door alert. And of course, Mazda Connected Services is standard, which allows you to the possibility of onboard Wi-Fi as well as a remote control through the My Mazda app to start, stop, flash the lights, lock, unlock, all those good things. The 2.5S is still equipped standard with the 8.8-inch infotainment screen and LED exterior lighting, Bluetooth. However, one addition to the technology is standard USB-C. So all USB-A ports are now going to be USB-C. And of course, 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels with silver finish on the 2.5S, which again is the sedan only. Now we add not just the Select, but it's a Select Sport. And what the Sport adds, and this is sedan or hatchback, is that it adds features to the S, such as advanced keyless entry, dual zone automatic climate control, rear armrest with cup holders, and turn signals in the mirrors. But aside from the leatherette seating and leather wrap steering wheel, which was on last year's Select, the Select Sport adds 18-inch wheels with black finish, more black wheels, and matching black mirror caps with heated mirrors. So more black wheels and black mirror caps with heated mirrors. Then we move to the Preferred. The Preferred is available in sedan and hatchback, adds a power moonroof, black or grayish leatherette seats, heated front seats, 8-way power driver's seat with power lumbar, heated seats, which I already mentioned, and of course, body colored side mirrors with an LED turn signal indicator. And they offer 18-inch wheels as well, silver in the sedan and gray in the hatchback. Then we add one of my favorite models, the Carbon Edition. Upgrade to the Carbon Edition, sedan and hatchback, of course, polymetal gray with red interior. Now for 24, we upgrade to wireless. That's right, wireless CarPlay or Android Auto and Qi wireless phone charging. The Carbon Edition is now all-wheel drive only and gloss black heated side mirrors as well. And the 18-inch wheels, you guessed it, same thing, gloss black. Next step up is the Mazda 3 2.5S Premium. Now the big change for this is only hatchback and only the manual. So for 24, it discontinues the sedan premium, and then you get the hatchback premium with the Skyactiv MT 6-speed manual. This upgrades, of course, to, it's a front-wheel drive, upgrades, of course, to the Bose 12 speaker system with satellite radio, full-color windshield projected active driving display, Mazda navigation, and adaptive front lighting, and leather seats are available in black or red. 18-inch wheels are also in former premium hatchback's black finish. And of course, the signature lighting. Then we move up to brand new. I don't think I've talked about this on the channel yet, but brand new carbon turbo, new model, new trim, new package, new color, Zircon Sand, and Terracotta leatherette, which is fantastic. So the carbon turbo, of course, replaces all other turbo models. And this is Zircon Sand with similar carbon touches, such as gloss black wheels, mirror caps, other gloss black features, including the grille with red stitching on that Terracotta. And this will have the turbo model, so everything will have the 250 premium 320 foot-pound of torque premium, or the 227 standard 310 with 87 octane fuel. This also, all turbos upgrade to the big boy, the 10.25-inch screen, and this adds touchscreen availability when paired with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which is wireless again, and Qi wireless phone charging. And of course, the top, the big boy, the bad boy, the Turbo Premium Plus top model sedan or hatchback, also of the carbon turbo sedan or hatchback as well. And this one is the turbo engine, upgrades to more gloss black aerodynamic accents for both sedan and hatchback. Rear lip spoiler on the sedan, roof spoiler on the hatchback. Rear direction base safety, so with the sensors around, you do have smart brake support reverse and also smart brake support rear crossing. And that gives it a more robust I-Active suite. And leather seats are available in black or red, standard colors, including a polymetal gray. Also, the Bose. This upgrades to traffic jam assist, the 360 monitor, frameless auto-dimming rearview mirror with HomeLink, Mazda navigation, active driving display with traffic sign recognition, and that's a pretty sweet ride. Now let's jump into colors. As I already mentioned, we're adding the Zircon Sand, but there's one more that's getting added, so we have a total of 8 colors available throughout sedan and hatchback, including the Platinum Quartz, the Soul Red Crystal, the Deep Crystal Blue, the Snowflake White, the Machine Gray Metallic, the Jet Black, the Ceramic Metallic is coming back. That's right, ceramic is available only on the Select Sport in place of the Snowflake White. Then, of course, Polymetal Gray on the Turbo models, Premium Plus, and the Standard Carbon Edition. Now let's jump into pricing. We see a slight increase on the 2024, but so much more equipment, you kind of understand that. Starting off with the 2.5S sedan only, it's $24,170. All of these base MSRPs do not include the destination charge of $1165, so remember that. The Mazda 3 2.5S Select Sport, $24,690 sedan, $25,690 hatchback. The preferred front-wheel drive, $26,190, $27,390. The Mazda 3 Carbon Edition 2.5S all-wheel drive only, $29,060 and $30,260 for hatchback. The Mazda 3 Hatchback Premium Manual front-wheel drive only, $30,350. And the Carbon Turbo, all-wheel drive only, of course, sedan $31,750, hatchback $32,950. The Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus, sedan $35,450, hatchback $36,650. And of course, the Soul Red, the Machine Gray, the Polymetal, and the Snowflake White and Ceramic all have an upcharge. The last 3 of $450 each. The previous 2, of course, at $595. I know the biggest question is, when will we see these 24s? So the hatchbacks, which are produced in Japan, will be coming first, available this summer. So they're already in process, in production, and maybe on the way to your local dealership. The sedans, which feeding this country, most of those come from Salamanca down south in Mexico, so they will be coming up later this fall. So if you're interested in the hatchback, you can jump on it now, and sedans will be coming later. Either one, these are fantastic choices, new colors, new equipment, new safety, on top of the new performance and more safety that were added last year. This is the best ever Mazda 3. More availability of new colors, which I'm so excited about. If you have any additional questions or comments, drop them down below or text me at 334-718-0504. I'll be here on the boulevard listening for all the latest Mazda news and awaiting this beautiful 24 Carbon Turbo, and I'll see you on the next one.